On the top floor, you have your laundry unit with a full bath next to it. Then directly across the hall, as you'll see as we pan around, we're going to go into our first bedroom, which is this extra large bedroom. As you can see, there are a lot of windows, very large windows, so plenty of sunlight. As we kind of look around the room, you can see it's exposed brick, which is really nice. Then we'll turn around and we'll go into the standard bedroom, which is to the left. Also, you could fit a queen or full size in this bedroom as well. And you'll see this kind of closet area in the wall where you could hang all of your clothing. Let's kind of pan around the room right now. Also exposed brick, so really nice, plenty of windows for maximum sunlight. And just for, to be thorough, we'll go into the large bedroom one more time. So again, that is the largest bedroom is directly across from the laundry area, which has a bathroom next to it. So just so you understand the layout. So as we turn around, we're going to exit, go down the hallway. We're going to pass the laundry in unit one more time, and you'll see there's kind of a little pantry closet area where you could keep your laundry essentials right here. And now we'll head downstairs into the living room, where you will also find your kitchen and an extra half bath. So it's a really, really huge living room, as you can see. Check that out, just a lot of size, good square footage, really nice kitchen as well. You have an extended countertop. So let's kind of take a pan around shot so you can see the great amount of windows we have. So really, really good sunlight again. Nice hardwood floors. You have your fridge to the left over here, and then you have your oven right there, or your stovetop. And then you have an extra half bath right here. So this would be great for if you ever had a guest or family member over, So that concludes the video tour. I hope you understand the layout. I tried to be as thorough as possible. So one more time, top floor has your full bath, laundry unit, and then directly across the hall you have your two bedrooms, one being extra large and the other one being standard. Then downstairs we just have a massive living room, and all of this gets plenty of great lighting. So all right, hope that's been helpful. All right, bye-bye.